Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my favorite slime from this tub. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite slimes. And I have not got a collection because I got a little sister. My mom said I'm only allowed one slime because I used to have like, what is that noise? Okay, I think that's just my clock. But, yeah, so I used to have a whole basket, but then I threw them away because I got a baby sister. Yeah. So, let's get on with the video. Oh, wait, hold on. You know, every video I do, get the camera right, I set out a light goal. And today's light goal is going to be one light. Everybody like it up now? Yeah, joking. Today's light goal is going to be 2,500. Let's go. I don't know. Okay. I'm just joking around. At least this video has to be 100 likes. Please. Please, guys. I love you so much. You guys are wondering, hey, when are you going to meet and greet? Well, I'm going to meet and greet this week. Oh, so meet and greet is going to be this week and next week. So the address is 70 Auburn Street, Bolton, BL36TP, and we're just going to have a blast. Peace. Okay. So, let's get on with the video. Okay, so this is my slime tub. It's a little messy, it's got slime all over it, but that is fine. And I'm gonna make zoom in a bit so you can see properly. You need to see my beautiful face, of course. Anyway, so I'm going to open the tub. Okay, that's what it looks like. I'll open it. Okay. So this is the slime. And it's well called a slime. And it's purple. I'm going to think it's purple. Just like my nails. Oh, I could put that on my nails. I could actually put that on my nails. Anyway, so yeah. And it's just really raw, like so cool. And guess what? It's one of those pokey slimes as well. And I'm doing it on the side of the bed, so it could be hard to see. Okay. There's fish. And it pokes real good. See that? It pokes real good. And what I made it with, I made it with like, you know, like just normal slime stuff, but like, this is actually a butter slime as well. So, this is like a fluffy, okay, this is a fluffy butter slime. And, so I made it with like, Elmer's glue, activator, shaving cream, my dad, shaving cream, and Model Magic Clay, you know the one that you make with butter slime? Yeah, so I got Magic Clay, and then I kind of like, okay, so here's a fact about myself. Okay, here's a fact about myself. I spend 2 to 3 hours watching slime videos on Instagram and other types of social media. I even do my chores. I eat my food. I give it to my dog. Talk to my mom. Yeah. So that is a fact about myself. And this is like a so cool slime. If you're wondering what's on my nails, I got my nails pedicure. Got a pedicure. What you doing, guys? So this is like a really cool farm. I don't even know what to say. Oh, guys, follow me on all my social. Follow me on all my social media. It will be in the description down below. Go check me out. And I'm gonna tell you to follow some other people. So these are shout outs. Let me give my shout outs right now. You can go follow them on Instagram, okay? Don't boom. So the first one is on Instagram, Frudo Teddy. Shout out to her. What's the next one? Naeem2601. Go follow him on Snapchat as well. Next one. Fatima Maya, Samira Maya, Hannah Maya, and Amina Maya. All on social Instagram. Next one. Mr. Moms and Battle Moms. Next one. Wait, what? No, that's not it. She. Okay. Mossa Maya, Sahana Maya. I was about to say mine then. Oh yeah, and that's all on my social media in the description down below. Go check me out. Hey, joking. So, you guys, if you want, you can phone me. You can ring me on any phone. My number is 01204 405 412. And if that's not working, 0777 9522 361. Everybody, I hope you do this. Thank you for your support so much. Yeah, thank you so much for your support. And yeah, this is not fun. I'm sorry, this lighting today is really bad. It's quite sunny, but it's not that sunny, but oh my gosh, it's kind of sunny. Don't you can see? Okay, you cannot see that good, but the lighting is pretty bad. Oh my god. So yeah. My mom's gonna call me. No, don't do that. You have to make it worse. Anyways, I'll just put my sheets right. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, that's the end of today's vlog. Oh my gosh, I zoomed in so much I didn't realize. Huh? Mom? Yeah, what? Zoom out? Okay. Yeah, not too much. Oh no, keep going. Yeah, good. So that's the end of today's video. I'm gotta say, I'm gonna do a morning routine tomorrow, and I might do a nighttime routine today. I don't know. But this video has to at least get 1 like to do more videos. Please, I beg you so much. Please, please, please. Is he staring at me right outside that door? What? Whatever. Bye. Peace. Peace.